Assalamu alaikum. I will be explaining how I solve the task 2 of Project Altair week 2 recruitment process. We need to implement two functions. One is detect red and white regions, and another is analyze code function. We'll be implementing all of these functions on this image. First, we import OpenCV and NumPy. Then we implement the first function, which is detect red and white region. Then we'll be defining red and white color ranges, the upper bound and the lower bound. The values is, you can give whatever values you want. Since I need to detect red and white, I will be using these values. Next, we'll be declaring a variable red mask, which will use the lower bound and the upper bound to create the color mask. We'll be using OpenCV's in-range function, which takes the image array and the lower bound and the upper bound. We'll do the similar thing for the white mask also. Let's first test this with only red mask. Then we'll be using the bitwise AND operator, which will mask our image. Now we show our image and hold the screen until we close it. Now we need to do is load the image, convert the image to NumPy array, and then call the function. So let's test our function. As you can see, the red mask is what? Here's the original image and here's the red mask image. Only the red is detected and the other colors are filtered out. Now we apply the white mask. Let's declare the white mask and then use the bitwise OR operator to detect both red and white region. Then we just use the mask variable in the bitwise AND operator. Now run the Python script. It didn't work. Oh, I forgot to set the script. As you can see, the function is working properly. The white and red regions are detected properly. Now we work with the analyze code function. Now let's declare the image analyzing function. In the image analyzing function, we have to print minimum and maximum values in the image, the average pixel value, the total number of non-zero foreground pixels in the image, and the total number of 0 pixels in the image. So to do this, first we're gonna convert the image to grayscale. Then we're gonna use the numpy.min function to get the minimum pixel value and the numpy.max function to get the maximum pixel value. And we print the minimum pixel value and the maximum pixel value. Now to get the average pixel value, we're gonna be using a numpy.min function to get the mean, or I should say the average pixel value. And to get the non-zero, to count the non-zero pixels in the image, we'll be using the count non-zero function from NumPy, and then print both of them. To get the total 0 pixel number, we need to first get the total pixel number. But we can do that by using the shape property, which has height and width in pixels of that image. Now we subtract the number of non-zero pixels from the total number of pixels. Then we just print the total number of non-zero and 0 pixels. Now all we need to do is call the analyze code function and then save it and run the script. The image detection functions are working correctly, no problem in that. Now let's close it, and if you see the terminal, you'll see that we have all the values we need: minimum pixel value, maximum pixel value, average pixel value, total number of non-zero pixels, and the total number of 0 pixels. So that's all, everyone.